Well, this year we're impacted somewhat by the aftermath, perhaps, and the adjustments that we've had to make as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is not only the incremental costs of having to protect the health and safety of our employees, although clearly that's very important, but for a period of time in the first and second quarters of this year, two of our operations of the five that we have were on care and maintenance based on government orders as they rightly tried to figure out what to do with the pandemic. Since then, mining has been declared an essential service. We're back up and running, and we've been ramping up the operations. But if one looks at the normalized production of the company without that sort of impact, we expect to be generating every ounce of gold on an all-in basis, and we comply with the World Gold Council a construct of all-in costs, including sustaining costs, overhead expenses, exploration expenses, and of course, operating costs. We are below $1,000 per ounce, in the range of $980 per ounce. And that would put us in a very good position by comparison to peers. And clearly, with a gold price that is almost $1,000 higher than that, that provides us with exceptional margins and the generation of those cash flows to which I referred.
Peter, if I can get your view on the gold price, I mean, we've all watched it soar, and now currently trading around $1,933 an ounce. What is your outlook? Where do we see the gold price in 6 months' time, 1 year's time, and if you can look a little bit further out, maybe 5 years' time?
Well, several years ago, Juliana, during the last run-up in gold price, I was asked a similar question, and I answered with a prediction. At the time, gold had just touched above $1,000 per ounce, and I predicted $1,500 per ounce. But I made the error of saying within a year, and I was wrong on the time frame. But I was certainly right. The gold price got to levels that were certainly in excess of that 1,500. So, do I believe the gold prices will go higher? The answer is yes. I will have to equivocate a little bit in terms of what the time frame is, but I would certainly say that we are in a perfect storm for precious metals prices going to higher levels. I still consider that the height of gold price is what occurred in 1980. I believe it was $820 per ounce. It sounds inconsistent because gold price is higher than that, but in adjusted dollars, that puts the gold price closer to $2,700, $2,800 per ounce. And I believe in the cyclicality of things, Juliana. Cycles are forever. So I certainly think the gold price has not reached its peak yet and will get to and exceed that adjusted height of 1980.